Okay guys, hey guys, hi, today's around Friday, it's the 4th of September, and yeah, just like any other days, I always wake up when the sun's setting down, and it's frustrating, but I was up all night doing one of my assessments, and yeah, getting a bit stressed out there, but yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I just want to discuss something like, what was I going to discuss? I forgot. Hey guys, today's the 4th of September, and yeah, spring's here. It's a Friday, and I remember when I was working, I'm really excited when it's Friday, because the thing is, it's the time when you're gonna have a rest day in the next 2 days, or you're gonna go out, you're gonna go traveling. Those are your day offs, the weekends. So during the normal times, way back then, like ages ago, seems like it's been ages ago. Yeah, I get excited. Everybody gets excited on the weekend. We go to pubs, we drink and everything. But these days, like, everything's nearly the same. You're just at home and nothing's happening that much. As for me, it's a bit packed up, because the thing is, on weekdays I have online classes, but the classes I can do it at home, and I can just review it online. But the thing is, the weekends, most of the assignments and most of the assessments and most of the exams, quizzes, they come in the weekend. So this weekend I'll be full. I don't know if I'll be happy the weekend's here, or I'll be sad because the weekend's here, because I'll be full fucked up. No, bad word. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Also, the sun's setting down, and it's always the time that I get up out of bed. But yeah, if you guys are like stressed out, or if you're feeling low and everything, I suggest you just go out and get some sun. Because the thing is, whenever you get some sun onto you, there's always, we call it, you feel there's sunshine, or like something. I can't. But anyway, yeah, whenever there's sun, everything feels better. So yeah, when Laura opened up the curtains earlier and the sun hit me, I got out of bed. But if that didn't happen, I'd be still in bed right now. And it's around 5:50. Shit, it's 5:50. It's supposed to be dark now. Anyway, sunset's around a few minutes, like 20 minutes or anything, yeah. But either way, yeah, just want to tell you that if you need some sunlight, just go out there. No, if you're a bit sad, just go out there and get some sunlight, and everything will be better. Yeah, that's it for today. Nothing's up. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to some of my assessments here, and you take care, man. Have a good day.